Well, good morning everybody. Welcome back to our little channel. My name is Mark and this is Fishing for Dinner. I'm out at my in-laws place. We're bank fishing on Lake Conroe. We got the sunshine out, we got the fishing poles out. Let's see what we can catch. Smile for the camera. Hold them up big. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Alright, let's measure them.
Can you hold him?
Yeah.
So it's really heavy carrying it all the way there.
He's really heavy. Let's see, what do we got here? He's about 14 and a half.
Keep it.
No, we're going to let him go. Let's let him go.
Oh, he's already dead. Oh, no, he's not.
This spot right here is where I normally will catch them. Oh, there's one. That's the spot. Oh, he got off. It was a little bass. I hadn't set the hook very hard. I thought that was a crappie. Oh, he got off a deer. Dadgummit. There he is. There he is. I got that rascal this time. There he is. There he is. I got that rascal this time. He ain't getting away. Come on now. Oh, stay here. Stay here. Stay up here. Stay here. How about that for a Bobby Garland?
Measure it.
He's 13. 13. You got him by an inch and a half. Let's let him go.